In this video today, I'm going to show you two platforms that get you paid just for reading books. So what I just want you to do is to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step ways in which you can sign up on this platform and start earning your first money online. These are legit platforms and they are verified all over the world. So the first platform on the list is known as booklistonline.com. So just go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword known as booklistonline.com, and you'll be taken to this interface. So what is booklist.com? Booklist.com is a platform that lets you download books or helps you review books, because you are coming as a reviewer. That helps you review books and you will get paid for it. So as you can see here, these are some of the book list review of the day. Morgan, His Life, His Art, His Guest for the Absolute. These are the books, some of the books that have been reviewed on this platform. Now, one thing about this platform is that there are a lot of content to suit your taste. That means if you're someone that reviews adult non-fiction, you reviews adult fiction, graphic novels, youth non-fiction, youth fiction, adult audio, adult videos, this platform is for you. So this platform has basically all the genres of books you think you can be able to review on this platform. So to sign up on this platform is very easy. And before I show you how you can sign up on this platform, my name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. So just like I've said, I'm going to show you how you can review books in 2024 and get paid just as easy as possible. And like I've said, the first platform is on Booklist Online. So what you just have to do is scroll down to the ending of this platform. This is the last platform, the ending of the platform, sorry. So you can see their reviews, you can see their newsletters, their multimedia, and you can see their about us. Now, and if you check on this their about us now, let me show you something. If you check on this their about us, you see the advisory board staffs advertise, contact us, and also write for us. Now as you are coming here to come and write for them. So what you do is click on write for us and you allow it to open. So just click on write for us and allow us to open. So this is the platform. This is what book reviews are for. We are part of the American Library Association, and our reviews serve a specific purpose, guiding school and public library workers in purchasing and suggesting books. So I can see here, Booklist is a recommendation only journal. Every book review is recommended for purchase in the library setting because of the content, the potential popularity, and other compelling collection. So who can review for Booklist? Because our audience is school and public library workers, Booklist reviewers must be familiar with both books and libraries, as well as the US and Canada book market in general. A library degree is not required, but a library reader advisory or selection work is highly desired. So now I want to check how much can you get paid to be reviewing books on this platform. So to get that, you just have to scroll down. So say, what can you expect from us? What you can expect from their payment? Say Booklist pays $15 for every each review, and the average reviewer writes 2 to 3 reviews per month. That means 15 times 3. You can see how much you'll be able to get there just for side hustle. Now this one is not a main work, it's just a side hustle. So as you can see here, now it says if a review is held for a later issue, that means you might not get paid for it for a while. If you reject a title, you will get a reject fee of $5. Reviewers will also receive a subscription to Booklist in print with online access. That means this platform, even though you tend to reject a book review, you will also get paid just as easy as that. So what you just have to do is to go to your browser and then this keyword known as Booklist, scroll down, and you click on become a writer and write for us, and you'll be able to write for them and you start getting paid. So let's head on now to the last platform. This is the second platform, which is the last platform actually. Don't forget to click on that red subscribe button so that you get updates like this when I drop videos. So let's move on to the last platform on the list. So this is the second platform on the list. This second platform is known as Kiku's Reviews. you can go to your browser and then this keyword known as kikireviews.com/about/careers, and you'll be able to be taken to this interface where you see career opportunities. It says book reviewer. You work as a freelance and a project based. That means you can work anywhere. It says Google Media is looking for experienced book reviewers of English and Spanish language titles to review for quiz indies. The book review magazine section dedicated to self-published authors reviews are in the same format and are held to the same high standard. So this platform, also known as Kiki Review, is a platform where you can also come and read any type of book that you want to actually read. So as you can see here, you can see the books that are available here. You can see romance, you can see thriller, suspense, mystery and detective, romance story, science and fiction, non-fiction, biography, teens and young adults. Can see children's book are also available, magazines, and a lot of books are also available on this platform. So why I just took you directly to this platform is so that I won't waste much of your time. So just go directly to kikisreviews.com/about/careers and you will be taken straight to the interface. But in case you want to still continue on the platform, you can still decide to engage yourself by reading some of the books that are available. Now, for you to be able to start working on this platform, is that to apply, you have to submit your resume, your writing samples, and a list of reviewing specialties to Kiki's indie editor Dave Giraffe at this email, guys, giraffe@kikus.com. So that is the email that you're supposed to apply for this work. So this one is you need to write a mail of showing them your specialty and some of the works that you have done before. So these are basically the two platforms in which you can review book and get paid currently in 2024. The first one is known as booklistonline.com. The second one is known as kikireviews.com. So check it out. Don't forget to drop your comments so that we'll know where you're having issues and how I can comment. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.